Hi, in this quick video we'll run through some basic Linux commands. We'll use ls-l to list the content of a directory in long format. To move up a directory level, we use cd ... and then we are now in our desktop folder directory. To rename a file, let's say we want to rename current project, we use the mv command. We want to rename current project to new project, and if we do ls, we see it's now new project. To copy a file, we use cp, the cp command, and the cp command works with this is the source and this is the destination using absolute paths. Oh, we don't have current project, so new project and we want to move it upwards. So now if we go back to desktop, we can now see new projects. Awesome. To remove a file name, we use the rm command with the file name. And now when you do ls, there is no more new project. To create a new directory, use the mkdir, which is short for make directory, and the directory name. So let's call this directory Jenkins, and do ls, and we can find Jenkins. However, if you want to remove the directory name, we use remove directory, rmdir, with the directory name. So remove the Jenkins folder, and when we do ls, there is no Jenkins folder. And finally, to view the manual for a command, so we can say man, and the command is ls. This gives us the full manual for that command. And to exit, you just press escape, just Q to quit. Thanks. And finally, the sudo command is used to run a command with root privileges. So if I want to go to my root desktop, I use sudo I. Ask me for my password, and I will just put that here, and I can exit, and yes, I'm back in my root directory. So these commands are the bread and butter of Linux command line usage. Thanks for watching.